Today I wanted to show you how to change a mission belt buckle strap, or how to replace a mission belt buckle strap. So we've got our new mission belt buckle strap right here, and the reason I love mission belts is that all you have to do to adjust the belt is just like this. It's got a little ratchet inside there, and you can make it whatever size you want. And then let's say you want to make it a little larger, you just press this little piece right here, it makes it larger. But I've had this belt for at least a couple years here, and the strap's just kind of torn up. It just happens with belt if you use them a long time. I've used this belt for everything and really abused it, so I'm surprised it's held up that well. All you do to change the belt buckle, and what's really cool, is you can reuse these belt buckles on any type of mission belt strap. These are the 40mm straps. You just got to keep with that. So all I did was flip this up, and then that removes the buckle. And rather than needing to buy a whole new belt, we'll just get rid of that one right there. You can get just the straps, which we've got right here. We've got a mission belt strap, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my belt buckle right here. I'm going to insert it into this belt buckle, the new strap that we've got, and I just fold down like so and press in. It takes a little bit of grit there to get it in. Okay, now I've got it in, and voila, now I have an all new mission belt buckle on there with the strap. So my existing belt buckle and then a new strap. So really love that you can just change these out, reuse them. You can just get a new strap then rather than needing to get a new buckle. And then you can also change buckles. So if I wanted to like put this buckle on, I could do that with this belt. I would just remove this belt buckle and put this one on, which gives you a ton of versatility. So if you had like a brown strap, a black strap, and then something else, you'd be kind of set for what you need in terms of belts, because you could change belt buckles around and change up the style. But the biggest reason I like the mission belts is they're nice, and you can see they hold their shape, and they're going to hold on your hips really nice. But the biggest reason I like them is just the adjustability. Right here, you press that little ratchet, and you can make it as tight as you want, or let's say you're driving or something. I find myself all the time just wanting to be a little bit more comfortable when I sit down, and I just loosen it up a little bit. So really nice, they look really clean, and then you can see even the tail end here, it's not just flopping around a whole bunch because they have some rigidity to the belt. So it looks good, even if you've got a little bit larger tail end, it's going to tuck in nicely and hold some shape. So thanks for watching how to change a mission belt buckle strap. We'll see you next time.